Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Hyundai Elantra N-Line. It comes equipped with a 1.6-liter turbo engine paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission. Other main is included such as sport buckets, powered sunroof, paddle shifters, adaptive cruise control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black and red accent interior paneling on the bottom here, equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows. I suppose more speakers up there. You're going to have these perforated leather heated seats, sport buckets with driver adjustable lumbar. Very comfortable. Left side you'll have your drive mode selector. Down below with your lighting and traction control. Left side of steering will be your voice recognition as well as your mode and volume control. And the right side will be your cruise control, odometer switch, and lane keep assist and forward collision alert. 2 paddle shifters right behind. Your end badging just right on the bottom. Now for the all digital speedometer here, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including trip info. As you can see there, you're going to have your gauges as well as your compass, go through your tire info, and as well as your smart cruise there, and just the classics. So you're going to have your push to start right there, and onto the infotainment system, equipped with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as you can see through the map here. And you're going to have the radio right next, as well as you're going to have quiet mode, HD radio data, and just BlueLink. Very classic Hyundai stuff. You're going to have the controls on the bottom, dual zone climate control with the heated seats and steering wheel as well. And down below you're going to have 2 USB ports as well as a 12-volt and a wireless charging pad. You can also access your cameras here through the park assist, as well as the shifter. You're going to have the grab handle on the side here and center console with more storage. Passenger side's manually adjustable, same finish. You're going to have that end badging on the seat. It's going to go all the way across. Speakers right in front of you. And then here you can access your reading lamps, SOS, and the power sliding sunroof. You're going to have these 18-inch blacked out alloy wheels on hand-up tires here. You're going to have the N-line badging, paint match mirror caps, as well as the keyless entry door handle, lip spoiler in the back, as well as the dual exhaust tips. Of course, we're gonna have the trunk with the weather mat in the back here, as well as you get under it. You're gonna have extra wheel well storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, cup holder storage on the bottom again, right next to the speakers, power windows. Up in the back, you're going to have mesh storage behind the passenger side, 2 USB ports right in the middle, speakers in the back as well, cup holder and armrest, lamps right there, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Hyundai Elantra N-Line. Comes equipped with a 1.6-liter turbo engine, as well as sport bucket seats, power sliding sunroof, adaptive cruise control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.